जोमैटो मिल जाता तो आज अपनी भी आईफोन की टशन होती। हाँ यार, रोहन को क्या फाड़ू प्रॉफिट हुआ है शेयर मार्केट से। कैसे वो टशन मारता फिरता है लड़कियों के बीच अपनी नई बाइक पे। सच में यार, अब तो एक भी चांस मिस नहीं करना। These are the natural emotions of people witnessing the boom in the Indian IPO market. With 28 companies getting listed and 70 in pipeline, 2021 is going to be a record-breaking year in the Indian IPO market. In this context, it has become extremely important to understand how IPO allotment process can benefit the investor and what are the easy tips and tricks through which you can secure your IPO allotment. तो जाइएगा कहीं नहीं, आज हम बात करेंगे IPO allotment के दाव पेच पर भी। Before we go on to the tricks, हम पहले देख लेते हैं IPO process आखिर किस चिड़िया का नाम है। IPO or the initial public offering is a process through which a company goes public. Through IPO, company issues part of its shares to public. अब आपको कुछ समझ आया कि IPO allotment process आखिर होता क्या है। IPO allotment process में you not only get the shares of the company, but आपको कंपनी में हिस्सेदारी भी मिलती है। Hence the word public in the initial public offering. The shares of the company are issued in the primary market, in which the investors invest through their banks who have done the initial undertakings of the companies who intend to go public. Now that you know what an IPO allotment process is, हम बात कर लेते हैं IPO allotment के कुछ फायदे। IPO allotment में आपको shares comparatively lower price में मिलते हैं than the secondary market. The prices of the share in the IPO are decided by a fair and transparent medium known as the underwriting. Unlike the secondary market, where the prices of the share are decided by the demand and supply of the shares in a prevalent marketing conditions. इसीलिए IPO allotment के नाम से ही आपके दोस्तों के मन में लड्डू फूटने लगते हैं। Apart from this, another big advantage of an IPO allotment is that you get a chance to secure a ownership in company. It means you get a chance to be a part of company's growth and profit. इसीलिए रिलायंस जैसी बड़ी कंपनियां कितने सारे IPO में हजारों पैसे लगाकर आज करोड़पति बने बैठे हैं। Knowing the benefits of it, there is a mad rush for IPO allotment. From the face of it, it looks that IPO allotment is nothing short of a good luck. And therefore, there is a mad rush for people to secure and search for tips and tricks through which they can surely secure their IPO allotment. While we have no control over the allotment process, but we can understand how we can control the bidding process, which will definitely increase our chances of getting the IPO allotment. तो लीजिए, अब वो घड़ी आ गई है जिसका आपको कब से इंतजार था। अब हम बात करेंगे 5 ऐसे ट्रिक्स जिसके थ्रू you will be able to get the shares of the company which are offered in an initial public offering. IPO allotment trick, नुस्खा number 1, apply from multiple demat accounts. It is very important to apply from multiple demat accounts because more the number of attempts, more are the chances of success. You can apply in IPOs through accounts of your various relatives, friends, and you should take advantage of your big social circle. Do not hesitate from applying from multiple demat accounts. इसीलिए अगर आपको इमोशनल अत्याचार भी करना पड़े अपने रिश्तेदारों पर, do not hesitate and always ask for their demat account. IPO allotment trick number 2, always bid on cutoff price. An issue price is always decided after the IPO allotment process. If you bid for a price which is higher than the issue price, then the access will be refunded to your bank account. But if you bid for a price which is lower than the issue price, you will run out of chances to secure an allotment. Therefore, it is safer to bid for a price which is maximum rather than which is lower than the issue price, so as to secure the chances for you to get an IPO. So, instead of bidding at a lower or a minimum price, it is always better to bid at the maximum price. so that you can increase your chances to secure an IPO. IPO allotment trick number 3. Buy shares of a parent company. By buying the shares of a parent company, you get access to bid in the IPO from another category, that is the shareholder category. Therefore, by following this trick, you can get access to IPO through 2 categories, that is the shareholder category and also the retail investor category. IPO allotment trick number 4. Lalach buri bala hai. Avoid making application for large number of shares because it is a myth that such applications are a priority for a company making an IPO. Always remember that SEBI ensures equality for all the shareholders. SEBI rule for IPO allotment process: maintain equality for all the investors, irrespective of bid size. Also, bid size gets ignored when there is a case of oversubscription. So, it is always advisable to make multiple applications in smaller numbers from multiple Demat accounts instead of making larger ones from one single Demat account to secure the chances of getting an IPO allotment. IPO allotment trick number 5. समझती है एक ही फंडा, सावधानी हटी और शेयर मिलने के चांसेस घटी. इसलिए fast checking of your application is very important. Filling up incorrect or incomplete information is one of the major reasons for rejection of an IPO application. So, it is very important to thoroughly check your application before placing them for the initial public offerings. So, next time when you decide to participate in an IPO allotment process, do check out these tips and tricks through which you can increase your chances to secure an IPO allotment. भैया कमर कस लीजिए because अगला मौका बिल्कुल भी छोड़ना नहीं है. So this was the end of our today's video. I hope you find it useful. If you liked our video, then do give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel and do not forget to share it with your friends and colleagues. Till then, stay home and stay safe. Thank you.